The Oregon 511 axe grinder is a durable machine built with the quality and features needed for frequent high-volume chain sharpening. This professional grinder now has a built-in wear compensator for equal grind angles without adjustment. Now take a look at the features of 511 axe bench chain grinder. 3,400 revolutions per minute direct drive motor. Works with all chain pitches from 1/4 inches to 3/4 inches. Built-in light makes it easier to monitor your work. Shields, guards and clamps keep the work steady and protect fingers. Allows for equal grind angles without adjustment. Adjustment capabilities for accurate grinds as the wheel wears. Templates for pitch, depth gauge setting and wheel contour. Includes 1/8 inches, 3/16 inches, and 1/4 inches grinding wheels. What are customers saying about 511 axe bench chain grinder? Check out the customer reviews now at bestbenchgrinders.com.